Alright, so I needed a zero clearance throat plate for my upcoming project that I was going to use with my dado stack. And I didn't want to ruin this one right here. So I decided to make my own. Got a 1/2 inch piece of plywood, traced out this throat plate here. And just going to cut around the edges and get as close as possible to the line as possible. And then I'll use the jigsaw to finish cutting the majority of it off. And once I get this done, then I'll take it back over to the table saw and test out the fit. And got some 80 grit sandpaper that I'm going to use to get it to where it fits just right. And this took a little time. Obviously I edited this video, but I probably sanded it for a good 5 minutes or so. And needed a place so I could be able to get the throat plate out, so I drilled this little hole here so I could stick my finger and pull it out. And the only thing left now is where the little tabs are. I've got to use the oscillating sander to kind of remove some of that material so this will sit even with the table saw. I'm not trying to be fancy or anything, I'm just trying to get this done as quick as possible. And there we go. Move it over, and now I'm going to turn the saw on and I'm going to raise the blade. And I'll be using a dado stack at about 1/4 of an inch, so I only raise it up 1/4 of an inch because that's all I needed. So just wanted to show you how easy it is to make a quick throat plate, and you gotta go spend $50–60 on a brand new one. Thanks for watching.